Hey friends, Merry Christmas! Check out what I got for Christmas, guys. It's kind of like a little cool rocket stove. My son got this for me. Put the wood in here. It's got a place here for boiling water. That's actually pretty cool. And then you put the skillet up here. We're going to see how this is going to work. Now I just got this. I just unwrapped it and assembled it. I'm going to cheat. You're in my workshop right now because I'm going to saw this down to 6 inches. I got some of this gas station firewood here. I'm going to saw it down to 6 inches and then we're going to try this bad boy out. Alright, let's see how it works. Alright, so these are small. I'm not wanting to go outside and act all wild, man. Break these down into smaller pieces. I'm just going to do this. Hit it better anyway. Perfect. Feels daylight. I'll just go out in the woods and cut up some length I want. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Okay guys, so moved it outside. I got one of these fire starters. I caught these on clearance. I don't know. It's been a little while back in Menards. I'm about out of them. I use another different type now. But I found this one in my workshop and I thought, well, you know, I always use this one. These were really good and I used these a lot in the very beginning. When I was first going out and doing videos. Probably have a little paint burn off of it. Another reason why I want to do it outside. Alright. You don't have a draft on the door, that's interesting. I guess that's your draft. Well, let's see. Change that angle just a little bit. You'll see I'm out here with the trigger. Smell that stove paint coming off of it. See it? That's putting out some good heat right there. Put a little water in there. Let's see if it boils. It should boil. There's some pine scrap from a wood and spoon project I did. Wood and spoon. I love Water Boy. Come here. Oh yeah, that's getting warm. That right there is getting warm. I can hear the metal in the pot heating up. It's pretty cool. I can smell that new paint. So all these stoves, you're supposed to burn them off outside before you put them inside. Obviously this one's used for outside. But that new paint fumes, it's strong. Man, that's pretty cool. Let's set this up here. Yeah, it sits there. Hell yeah. Raise this camera a little bit. There we go. Look at that, fellas. You can see that. Yeah, look at the all that fumes coming off of that. That right there is from the paint burning off of it. I ain't really wanting to breathe that stuff in.
Yeah. Probably why I'm over here on this propane one. I ain't really smoking.
Yeah. Well, this is paint fumes. It'll burn it off. Once it burns it off, it's fine. Looks like I see steam coming out the kettle now. So it took about 5 minutes. Maybe 6 minutes. There it is. See it?
Yeah.
So that was about 6 minutes. Heck yeah, that's really cool. Woo-hoo-hoo. I don't know if it might have took longer down on the bottom. I don't know. Choo choo. Looks like the smoke's coming off, like the looks like it stopped, like the smoke's not as bad on the paint anymore either. Alright. Yep, there's the rocket stove part, guys, what I told you about. Yep. Yeah, that's still gonna do it. Alright. That's really cool. Well, there you go, guys. Oh, if I can find it, I'm gonna put the link in the description. But I'm very happy with this. I think it's a great Christmas present, and I cannot wait to have this on a picnic table in a campground somewhere, cooking something. Heck yeah. Sweet. Love it.